Craze in Japan, the hangover makeup look, also called igari makeup, after the makeup artist who invented it, surely has reason to celebrate. But why would you make yourself look drunk on purpose? Well, it doesn't matter if your face looks tipsy if you act like a normal person, right? Also, you look like you're wearing little to no makeup, on top of seeming to have a good blood circulation and hydrated skin, which, from an evolutionary perspective, is by no doubt perceived as attractive. So, this look is said to be a turn-on for guys and thus has earned the title Pharaoh makeup, as in pheromones. As this is a no makeup look, you need clear skin as far as it is in your control. This can be achieved by washing your face each day using a face wash. Even the cheapest one from your drugstore will do, as long as you stick to the rule and wash your face no matter how tired you are. Sheet face masks like these here help minimize dark eye circles and hydrate your skin, so you have to use even less layers of foundation. You don't have to use one with wine extracts though. The following part is not mandatory to get the hangover look, but generally, having prominent tear bags symbolize youth and cuteness in some Asian countries. Instead of drawing them on with eyeshadow, my no makeup trick is to use long strip type double eyelid tape. Smile, then place the tape on the crease that appears when you're smiling and create a neat fold with the help of the tape applicator. We definitely want to use a primer to blur out pores and create an even skin tone, so we only need to use a light type of foundation like CC cream, mixed with a volumizer like the one from Etude House. Although now your skin still looks bare, most of your imperfections should be covered by now. The rest, like large pores, can be made to look smaller with a special pore concealer, which is a creamy, blendable paste that can be used also for concealing acne and scars. If you have dark eye rings, which in some cases is simply due to genetics, use a light pinkish color corrector, so you have to apply even less concealer and don't lose the glow of your makeup. That's how you can have the perfect no makeup skin. Next, we'll move on to the main makeup. This here is a special eyebrow tint which you can pull off after 10 minutes. Just draw along your natural eye shape. If you're not confident in drawing them on by hand, there are also eyebrow templates available. The rule for hangover makeup are straight and thick eyebrows. We'll use the same type of tint for our lips. After peeling off the tint, it will stay for 12 hours, so carefully correct any misses with a small lip brush. It will look like your natural lips, so this is a great chance to draw outside your lip line to make them look bigger. Now let's do the rest of the makeup while the tint is dry. For our eyes, we'll use a light gold pressed pigment. Instead of taking a heap at once, apply layer after layer until you have a shimmery golden veil over your eyelids and a bit above your crease. The only eyeliner for the hangover look would be a thin brown liquid eyeliner. Start at 2/3 and let the wing point downward for a natural sultry droopy eye look. Now it's time to peel off the eyebrow and the lip tint. With a well-sharpened eyebrow pencil, fill in the shape you just created using the tint. And just like magic, you have thicker and fluffier brows. What is a sultry makeup without plump lips? I use a Rimmel's lip plumping gloss with chili extract, which when applied, leaves your lips with a tingling feel and juicy look. Put some creamy red rouge on your fingertips and apply it in a triangle shape from your cheek apples to your inner eye corner. The trademark of Pharaoh makeup are in fact the high-placed red cheeks to recreate a tipsy appearance. Thanks to the rouge and minimal foundation, the color will look like it's produced by your own body. Obvious makeup is a no-no, so instead of normal black mascara, I'll use a nude mascara to lengthen my lashes. It works just like normal mascara except that you won't lose that clear look of your natural lashes. The real beauty of the no makeup is not only how much less time it takes, but it makes you feel more confident knowing that makeup is not always about caking your face. If the drunk/hangover/igari/pheromone makeup trend can take over Japan, do you think people will start wearing this innocent but sultry makeup outside of Japan as well? Go comment your opinion below. We'll see you again. Bye bye boo.